This video is just an aid to startup and does not detail all procedures that must be performed to complete the startup on this unit. Ensure all field-installed modules are fully siliconed and all blower parts are correctly fastened. Check that the gas pressure to the unit is correct and that all lines have been purged. Also verify the unit is set level. If the blower is operating in the opposite direction, for three-phase power, any two power leads can be interchanged to reverse the motor direction. For single-phase, check the motor wiring diagram. With the motor operating in the correct direction, observe operation and check for any unusual noises. Use a tachometer as shown to check the RPMs of the blower. The RPM should not exceed those given in this chart. In order to verify amp draw, first locate the motor full load amps on the manifold information label. If the unit is not equipped with a VFD, measure the full load amps off the motor starter leads. If the unit is equipped with a VFD, locate the channel for actual motor current and monitor from there. In this case, it is channel P508. Using a differential pressure meter, measure the pressure drop as shown. Take multiple measurements to ensure accuracy. The pressure differential should be between 0.4 and 0.6 inches water column. If outside this range, adjust RPM and ensure profile plates are intact and working correctly. Check the flame signal by measuring the voltage off the taps on top of the flame safety controller. Flame is present when the voltmeter reads between 6 and 18 volts DC. Ideal flame is at 12 volts DC and above. To set high fire, first locate the design manifold pressure. In this case, it is 1.5 inches water column. To force the unit into high fire, remove the number 4 lead from the amplifier if it is a discharge temperature controlled unit. Remove both leads 2 and 4 if it is a space temperature controlled unit. Unscrew and remove the cap for the high fire bypass screw. Adjust the set screw with a screwdriver until the compound gauge reads the appropriate design manifold pressure. When the appropriate pressure is obtained, replace the leads onto the amplifier. In order to set low fire, first remove the number 5 lead from the amplifier. Next, unscrew the cap that covers the low fire bypass screw. Adjust the screw until the burner shows a thin blue flame with no dark spots across the entire length of the burner. Once low fire has been set, replace the lead back onto the amplifier. The high temperature limit is factory set at 170 degrees Fahrenheit. This ensures that the discharge temperature does not exceed 185 degrees Fahrenheit. This should not be adjusted unless specified. The intake air thermostat can be adjusted to meet your requirements. If cooling is equipped, the cooling thermostat can be adjusted to meet your requirements as well. A freestat is included in most units and should be factory set at a temperature setting of 35 degrees Fahrenheit and a timer setting of 10 minutes. Startup is not complete until the entire checklist is completed and returned to the factory or an authorized dealer.